poison ivy, some kind of snake bite. Some grower's gonna frickin' kidnap us. I hear water, but I saw water on the ground. Flowing water on the ground? Like a river? Okay, well, supposedly we are off to go find a waterfall. Whether it happens, well, that's a whole nother story. That's right, and this is now on video. If we never return. And it is May 1st. Look, see, there's water down there. You can't really see it because it's dark. Just want to make sure it's still recording. We'll show Teddy proof there's no damn sign. See, do you go up there or do you come down here? Over here? Great. I'm not really sure. Huh? Yeah. Ow, berry bush or something is poking me in my ass. Okay, there it is. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I just don't want to roll my fat ass down the hill. Oh look, someone's taking pictures. Okay, found it. Yeah, we found a waterfall.